Hello everyone, for today's tutorial I just wanted to kind of go over just how to shuffle cards. I've been getting a few requests on people asking, how do you shuffle cards, how do I learn how to shuffle cards, etc. And on a lot of my tutorial videos, people see me shuffle and I really like the way I shuffle cards. It's different than kind of a table, casino kind of riffle shuffle that you might see in Las Vegas or at a poker table, etc. But it comes really natural to me. Maybe it's because I was always practicing this when I was a kid. If I would go on a long road trip, etc. I would always practice how to shuffle cards just to keep me busy and not bored. Okay, so let me just kind of go over what I do in the process of just shuffling cards, and some ways that you might want to just step-by-step practice and learn how to shuffle a deck of cards just like I do. Okay, the first is this is my right hand, this is my left hand. I'm holding the cards because I am right-handed. I'm holding the cards with my thumb. My pointer finger is bent, and it gives me the ability to put pressure on the top of the deck, and then I'm just holding the rest of the deck with the rest of my fingers here, okay? So the first step that you want to practice is just to kind of be able to do this move where you can, count off cards here, flick through cards with your thumb, okay? So if you can do this, once you get this down, okay, you're almost halfway there. So once you get that done, I just flick off about half the deck, okay? And it's just eyeballing it and just getting used to, how many cards you want to, is half. It's not exactly half by any means, but it's just about half, okay? So I'll flick off about half of the cards, and then with my left hand, go in and kind of hold the cards a little bit differently than I'm holding them in my right hand. See, I'm just holding the cards, my pointer finger now is on the side of the cards, but my thumb is still in this position to flick the cards down, and then I'm just holding the rest of the cards with my other two fingers, and then my pinky kind of gives a little bit of support on this corner here, okay? So now once you do this, now you are halfway through to shuffle, and what you want to practice now is flicking off cards with your left thumb just like this, and then with your right thumb just like this. So you can flick cards just holding them in your hands, okay? Once you have those moves down, put your hands together so you can shuffle now by doing those moves at the exact same time, the cards into each other, okay? And once you're here at this point, you can either just push the cards together, okay? So now you're shuffled, and you can still practice just riffling the cards through and shuffling them this way. Or if you want to end with kind of a flourish effect here, whereas you're finishing like that, which is kind of a, kind of flair, kind of neat move here to do. Get it to this point, shuffle the cards, and then all you're doing with my two thumbs here, I'm putting just a little bit pressure on the top of the cards, okay? Because if you don't put pressure here, when you go to bend the cards in with your left hand and your right hand, okay, the cards will just flip up like that, okay? So that just takes some getting used to. You shuffle them in with some pressure here with your thumbs, pushing down, okay? Bend the cards, and then you can control the rate that the cards will shuffle in together by the pressure that you're pushing in and out with your left and right hands, okay? So I have pressure pushed in with my left and right hands, kind of pushing into each other. And then if I let that pressure go, still maintaining the pressure with my thumbs, if you let that pressure go, then the cards will shuffle and riffle into each other, okay? So that's basically what I'm doing when I shuffle the cards, and it just takes a little bit of practice, but once you get it done, it looks pretty cool when you shuffle the cards like this as opposed to just shuffling on the table, okay? And so that's how I shuffle the cards over and over and over again in my tutorial videos. And I just wanted to share that with you so you can kind of practice, because I guess shuffling is kind of the beginning of how to do magic tricks, okay? And so the end here, one more time, I'm pushing down with my thumbs, I have my left hand and my right hand pushing into each other, and then if I just slowly let that pressure go, okay, gravity kind of does all the rest of the work, and then you can just square up the cards, and they're well mixed, well shuffled, okay? Give it a try, practice it, let me know what you think, and leave me a comment, like this video, I really appreciate it, and until next time.